Hello everybody, and welcome to another video, and welcome to Taipei, the capital of Taiwan. I'm currently in Liberty Square, which is a popular tourist destination here and an important historical site. And I'm going to show you guys around today, so I hope you guys enjoy. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Liberty Square has three main attractions: the National Concert Hall, the National Theater, and Democracy Boulevard, which leads up to the Memorial Hall of Chiang Kai-shek. If you're at all familiar with the history of China or Taiwan, you've no doubt heard the name Chiang Kai-shek. He was the political and military leader of the People's Republic of China for a number of years, and eventually of Taiwan. Chiang Kai-shek and the Nationalist Party helped overthrow the last remaining Chinese dynasty, the Qing dynasty, in 1911. And prior to World War II, the Japanese had taken over vast areas of eastern China, and Chiang Kai-shek and the Nationalist Party often fought alongside Mao Zedong and the Communist Party to get rid of the Japanese. After World War II and the Japanese surrendered, the Nationalist Party and the Communist Party no longer had a common enemy, so there was a power struggle in China, and the Communist Party eventually won in 1949, forcing the Nationalist Party to flee to Taiwan. That's it everybody for Liberty Square and the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out my China videos, my Hong Kong videos, my Thailand videos, my Kung Fu videos, and my hiking videos. And I'll see you guys next time.